We guide you through how to trim a video for your Instagram story so it fits perfectly before you post. First thing you need to do is to open the Instagram app on your phone and swipe right to open the story camera. Then, tap the gallery icon at the bottom left and choose the video you want to upload. Once it loads, Instagram automatically splits long videos into story segments, but you can manually trim it by tapping the trim or edit option at the top, depending on your version. A timeline bar will appear. Drag the left and right sliders to keep only the part of the video you want. Play it back to preview your trimmed clip and adjust again if needed. When you are happy with the edit, tap done or save to apply the trim. You can then add text, stickers, or music before posting. And finally, tap your story or close friends to upload the perfect trim video. This quick method ensures your video fits smoothly into Instagram stories without needing extra apps.